Hey guys, mini box of 2007 Bowman's Best Baseball. Really nice looking cards. I just wanted to give them a try. You're supposed to get 3 autographs in every mini box. So. Alright, wish me luck. Thick packs. I checked them out in the store. All these cards are 2-card thick. Alright, I got a Jose Reyes base, Carl Crawford base, Billy Roll prospect autograph, the Orioles. Not numbered. Derek Lee base and a Jorge Posada base. Alright, got a Jason Bay base, Tom Glavine base, Jeff Locke, just a normal prospect card, Roger Clemens base, right head. Alright. Another right head. Barry Bonds base, David Wright base, Jim Thome, Ryan Zimmerman, and Flores rookie card numbered to 799. Alright, 2 more packs. These should both be autographs, by the way. Got an Albert Pujols base, Griffey Jr. base, Chipper Jones base, Joe Mauer base, and a Fred Lewis rookie card for the Giants autograph. These cards are pretty nice though. Normally I'm very anti-stickers, but these have the window, so it makes them a little easier on the eyes. Alright, last pack. Got an A-Rod base, Andrew Jones base, Ryan Howard base. Wow. This was stuck to the card in front of it. Got a Dice K rookie jersey card. That's pretty cool. And we should have an autograph right here. And a Matt Holliday autograph. So all in all, pretty good box. Dice K is a really nice card. Can't really see his face too well though. It's kind of like the Invisible Man. Alright, thanks for watching guys.